Welcome to Pivot. Pivot is a simple software that allows you to create stick figure animations. With Pivot Animator, you can create cartoons using images on the site, or you can upload your own images or your own background. How do you access Pivot? You go on the site and you click on the download tab. There are two animators to download. There is the older version. I want you to download the Animator Beta 4. It includes features from the older version as well as more updated versions. When you click on the download version, it takes about a few seconds. This is the image that will come up on your screen. You will get a nice clean frame with your stick figure center frame, and the red buttons allows you to instantly make changes to your stick figure. By clicking on the parts of the buttons, you are able to change it immediately. The panel running down left of the frame gives you a myriad of options in terms of making changes. If, for example, I wanted to turn the angle of my stick figure, I can click flip, and there you go. If, for example, I wanted to apply some color, I click on the color tab, click OK, make my selections, and there my icon, my stick figure is blue. I can add a stick figure, and this will immediately be added to the frame. And as you can see, I'm moving them back. The tabs turn red, showing that the stick figure is active. And I click on this, and there you have it. I have created my first animation frame. Add frame, and it is immediately added to the timeline. I can continue to make changes. The onion skin shows me where the movement was prior to. As you can see, there are changes. Add frame, and I can continue to bring them closer. In greeting, probably move the hand. If I want to add a background, I click on file, load background. You can see you have a number of options here. I load background. I choose from what is on my computer, open, add frame, and it is applied. I can go back and make changes to my first slide, file, load background, add, OK, and it's applied. And I can do so for the second. So it is easy for you to go back and make the necessary changes to. When you are finished, you can click on play, and there you will get to see your animation. This cursor allows you to increase the speed, as you can see, or reduce the speed of your animation. Loop indicates that the animation will only be played once. If you want it repeated, you click on loop again and your animation continues. The benefits of Pivot are that, one, it's a free download, so the students don't have to pay for it. Even you, the teacher, you don't have to pay. It allows students to be creative, to tell their stories, right? It gives these visual images. And there are many uses that can be added to the Pivot, as you can see. You have the running one, you have the flipping one, and the frames can be edited. So it allows for easy work. The frames can be edited. The drawbacks, however, are that it is a simple interface, yes. So you don't have that many animation, you don't have that many flexibility in terms of creating complicated animations. It's a very simple animation, right? There are no sound added, and also it is saved as a PVI file, so it has to be converted to AVI to be used as video for uploading on YouTube. I went ahead and created one of my own, and I'm going to play it for you, and there you have it. It's educational because it gives students the opportunity to tell a story. It teaches lessons. It allows you, the teacher, and even students to create lessons on morals and values. It makes learning come to life. Pivot Animator is a simple software that is exciting, very user-friendly, very easy to use, but very rich in the value that it can give to learning and learners. Have fun creating.